Hello, welcome to our new video. If you face message status fail on Instagram and want to fix it, then you have come to the right video because I am going to show you how to fix message status fail on Instagram. First of all, you have to open Instagram app from your mobile phone and click on profile icon in right bottom. Now you have to click on three lines at top right. Here you have to select settings option from the list. You will see the list of different options and you have to choose help. Now you will choose a report a problem option. Again click on report a problem. Here you can explain your problem and you can also mention your username and you can also attach message status fail screenshot. Now click on next at top right. Here click on send report option. After submission you should have to wait for 7 days. Like and share this video if it works well for you. Also subscribe Let Me Guide channel to get more problem solving videos. Thank you.